Welcome back, everybody. This is second semester of Algebra 1 or Geometry. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the classroom expectations that we have in this class, and then also take a look at Google Classroom and some of the things that we need to do in order to be successful for second semester. To get started, I want to let you guys know that I'm really excited about second semester. I'm glad that we're all back in the classroom to start this semester. I know that some of you guys have shown that you've liked hybrid model, you've liked remote model. For me as a teacher, I love seeing your face. I love being able to engage with you guys in the classroom. It's a lot easier for me to do that. So I'm definitely excited to have you guys back. Some things to remember. We break down each lesson as an in-class portion and an at-home portion. So let's take a look at some of the things I'm expecting from you while you're in class. Number one is the seating chart. You're going to have a seating chart. Make sure when you enter the classroom, you go straight to your seat. We're going to keep the seats like this for the entire semester, just like we did first semester, mainly because of the protocols with COVID. So let's make sure we're abiding by those policies. Next, participate. Make sure you're engaged. You talk. When we have group works, you guys are participating, whether that be online or in the classroom, okay? But make sure you're engaged and you're an active member of our classroom. Be respectful. That's pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to be respectful to you. I want you guys to be respectful to myself and to your the other students in the classroom. Hall pass. You guys get 5 a quarter. Do not abuse them. You only need to use the hall pass for emergencies, okay? You guys are not at school that long. It's only a half day. Take care of the work that you need to do at school. Get it done. Stay in the classroom. Cell phones. This is a big one. We had some issues first semester. After revisiting the policy, we did a lot better. But understand that cell phones should be out of sight during class. Okay? You can keep them in your pocket. You can keep them in your bag. But I do not want cell phones on the desk because typically what happens is you guys will get a message and instantly have to check it. And I get that. I have the same issue. So let's put the cell phones away while you're in class. If you got an emergency, you can talk to me in person and we can maybe plan for something that way. Like I know sometimes every once in a while a parent needs to get a hold of you. Just communicate that to me. But cell phones should not be out in the classroom. I'll give you guys a couple warnings, but then after that, I'm going to have parents involved and administrators involved if we cannot listen to that policy. What should you be doing at home? Checking Google Classroom is probably the most important thing. Okay, get on every day, check your weekly announcements, your daily announcements, see what you have planned for that class, and understand when you guys are at home. If you're a PM student and you're supposed to be doing at-home or remote learning in the AM, please actually at least check Classroom and see what's going on. Okay, some teachers are going to have you guys do something at home prior to coming to class. Okay, same thing goes for you guys that are the AM. For the PM lesson, you guys should be at home working on whatever that teacher gives you. For me, I'm going to keep it pretty simple, but you need to at least jump on and see what tasks that you have for the at-home portion. Okay, check Synergy, complete work. So when you're at home, make sure that you're completing the in-class portion, especially if you are the AM. So in that PM session, complete the complete the at-home portion. Or maybe if you are a PM student, before coming to class, make sure you got everything done and ready to go from the previous lesson. Communicate. If you guys are lost or confused, send me an email. Let me know. You guys did a pretty good job with that last semester, so keep communicating. Okay? Policies and procedures. We talked about participation, so that's one thing that is expected of you. You guys are a student. You need to participate in this class. Grading system. It's going to be the same as first semester. If you were not in my class first semester, we're going to do a 30% assignments, daily work, 70% tests, quizzes, projects. We did not do a final last semester. probably keep it that same way this semester. If they tell us to do a final, then that'll be 10% of your grade, and we'll talk about what that would look like if we do have a final. Assignments, we will have lots of group assignments and some individual assignments. You will be turning everything in via Google Classroom, just like last semester. So you guys will not be turning in paper copies. It'll all be done on your device, okay? So get in the habit of turning things in that way. Late work. I'm going to be more strict on this semester. So first semester, I didn't really have late work until the last couple weeks. This semester, anything that's not turned in the day that it says it's due will be given partial credit. You will not be given 100% credit on that. Okay, so there'll be a 20% deduction if it's late. Academic integrity, make sure you guys are not cheating. Let's be honest. That's pretty self-explanatory. And communication, once again, let's communicate. Let's continue to do a better job with that. If you ever lost on a lesson or if you're forgetting how to do something, send me an email, let me know, or tell me in class. Okay guys, I'm here for you. I'm here to help you. You got this. Everybody can be successful in my class. You just got to put your mind to it. You got to make it a priority. So let's make sure that we're doing that this semester. Real quick, I want to take a look at Google Classroom. This is the Algebra 1 Google Classroom, but geometry is going to look very similar. So you should start each week by taking a look at the stream page. Remember, the stream page will tell you where we are. Quarter 3, week 1 has the dates, tells you what's going on for each day, the learning target, and the assignments. Okay? So here's your week 1 plan. Take a look at that where you organize students. Write that down. Have that in your planner. And then click the classwork to access all of your assignments. Okay? Don't go to the stream and just keep scrolling down. I see a lot of students like just scroll down and try to find them. Don't do that. Go over to classwork, take a look at the unit that you're on, and see what you got there. Okay, so you guys can see I'm working on an assignment here for our first day back. So that'll be posted here momentarily. And I've already got the first lesson for Unit 6 here. Okay, so this one's more of a review lesson, but you will be graded on it. Okay, so I have that here, but I'll make sure it's posted here soon. If you got any questions, please reach out to me. I'm really excited about second semester. Every single one of you guys can succeed in my class. Just put your mind to it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.